Hello everyone and welcome to round 1 of the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Catherine Hall Primary from St. James up against Buff Bay Primary from Portland. I'm your host Sheldon Reed and the action begins right now. So let's jump right in. In Section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss, and Catherine Hall Primary won. They decided that they will go first. So Catherine Hall, with 4 minutes on the clock, we begin with Bible knowledge. How many Gospels are in the Bible?
4. 4.
Correct. Bible knowledge for Buff Bay Primary. How many disciples did Jesus have?
12. 12.
Correct. Catherine Hall, science. Bar magnets have 2 poles. What are they?
North and South poles.
North and South poles.
Correct. Science to you, Buff Bay. Where is the pushing or pulling force of a magnet strongest?
At the North and South poles.
At the North and South poles.
Judges? Correct. Jamaican affairs for Catherine Hall. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Paula Llewellyn.
Paula Llewellyn.
Correct. Jamaican affairs to you, Buff Bay. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Arlene Harrison. Henry.
Incorrect. Attorney General Marlene Malahoo Forte. English language to you, Catherine Hall. Spell the word wreck. I'm sorry, Malahoo Fort, Attorney General. So please spell the word wreck.
Rick? W-R-E-C-K.
Correct. English language to you, Buff Bay. Please spell the word wound.
W-O-U-N-D.
Correct. Television to Catherine Hall. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Bella Throne.
Bella Thorne.
Incorrect. Bella Thorne. Television to you, Buff Bay. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Josh Hutchinson.
Josh Hutchinson.
Incorrect. Jake T. Austin. General knowledge to Catherine Hall. Which U.S. city is known as the Windy City?
Atlanta.
Incorrect. Chicago. Buff Bay. General knowledge. Which U.S. city is known as the Big Apple?
New York. New York.
Correct. Social studies, Catherine Hall. In which Jamaican parish can you find the Cardiff Hall Great House?
Portland.
Incorrect. St. Anne. Social studies, Buff Bay. In which Jamaican location can you find the Giddy House?
Port Royal.
Port Royal.
Correct. Music to Catherine Hall. Complete the title of this song. Wonderful World.
Wonderful. Beauty.
Wonderful Joy.
Wonderful, beautiful.
Incorrect. Beautiful People. Music to you, Buff Bay Primary. Which Jamaican recording artist recorded the song I Can See Clearly Now?
Ziggy Marley.
Incorrect. Jimmy Cliff. Catherine Hall, mathematics. A family is going to see a movie at 5:50 p.m. It is 11:20 a.m. right now. How long do they have to wait to see the movie? The question passes. Buff Bay, would you like to answer?
No, thank you.
6 hours and 30 minutes. Still with you, Buff Bay, for mathematics. A movie started at 5:50 p.m. and ended at 8:05 p.m. How long was the movie?
Eight hours and 55 minutes.
Incorrect. 2 hours and 15 minutes. Catherine Hall, sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Jason Holder.
Jason Holder.
Incorrect. Shivnarin Chandapal. Sports to you, Buff Bay. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Courtney Walsh.
Incorrect. Marlon Samuels. And that is the end of section 1. The scores currently read Catherine Hall Primary on 4 points and Buff Bay Primary on 5 points. Before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, always give your best effort on your homework and assignments. Only your best is good enough. Please stay with us. This match in the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.